Hello guys, welcome back to this short session on calculation tricks. Today we'll just see a glance, take a brief look at how we can multiply certain numbers with 5, 25, 125, 625 and the multiples of 11. Okay, so this will be a very quick session, so let's move right into it. Okay, so first of all we'll look at multiplication with 5, 25, 125 and 625 as I have written here. Okay, for multiplication with 5, all you need to do is divide it by 10 and then multiply it with 10. Divide it by 2 and then multiply it by 10. Suppose if I am writing say 25 into 5, this means we don't need to waste our time multiplying it by 5. So what we should do is divide it by 2, that is 12.5, and then multiply it with 10. We will get 125. Alright, similarly say 35 into 5, so we should divide by 2, we get 17.5, then into 10 it's 175. so I am writing here to just make you understand, but when you will be doing it, you will be doing it in your mind. Okay, so these do not require your you don't require any pen and paper to solve these. Okay, so suppose it's 78 into 5. All you need to do is 78 by 2, 78 divided by 2, and then the result is multiplied with 10. So we all know that 78 divided by 2 is 39 and multiplied with 10 is 390, right? Just like for 5 you need to break it to 10 by 2. Similarly for 25 you need to break it into 100 by 4. Okay, so see, there is a pattern over here. Okay, so we all know that if we square 5, the result is 25. Okay, if we cube 5, the result is 125. If we square 25, the result is 625, which means if we multiply 5 4 times it's quadruple, so we get 625. Similarly, look at these. 10 by 2, if you square them, it says 100 over in the numerator section and 4 in the denominator section. This is 5, this is 25, and now if you cube them, if you cube this, you get 1000, and if you cube this, you get 8. This comes out to be 125. So you see, if you square 5, you get 25. If you cube 5, the cube of 5, it's 125. So similarly here also we see, if you square 10, we get 100. If you square 2, we get 4. If you make a cube of 10, we get 1000. If you make a cube of 2, we get 8. And then if you make 4 times, then it's 10 to the power 4, and over here it's 16, right? And then over here is 625. So all I'm trying to say is you can correlate. You don't need to memorize or by heart these things. You just remember one thing, that's 5. When multiplying it by 5, you need to do this 10 by 2, then automatically 25 you will remember, and 125 you will remember, and then 625 also you will remember. Alright, so this was the first trick, and the second trick of the day is multiplication with 11. Alright, so let's suppose I'm multiplying say 32 into 11. In our childhood days we used to do like this: 2 ones are 2, 3 ones 3, then we used to put a cross over here, 2 1s 2 and 3 1s 3. 2 used to give us 352. Okay, the answer will never change, but the procedure will change. Okay, so 32 into 11, what you need to do is put the unit digit over here, put the tens digit over there, and you add these two numbers, you get 5. Alright, similarly, let's say you get 29. Okay, it's a odd digit. Okay, take 9 here, you take 2 here, add them. Now here's the trick. Okay, you add them, you get 11. Okay, you take one here and the other one goes in carry, so you get 2 plus 1 3. So the answer is 319. You can cross check. Okay, by cross checking, 11 times 9 is 99, 9 is carry, 11 times 2 is 22, 22 plus 9 is 319. So this is how it's done. Okay, now let's look at these sums. 34 into 11, so you take 4 here and you take 3 here and you add them, you get 374. You take 5 here, you take 4 here, you add them, you get 495. You take 3 here, you take 4 here, you add them, you get 7. Now this one. Okay, if you see this to be 33 into 89, that's a mistake. Okay, it is 33 into 89, but first thing is you need to break them. Okay, you need to break 33 into 3 into 11 into 89. Now this is easy. Okay, so write 9 here over here and write 8 over here. You add them, 8 and 9 gives you 17. 1 is carry, you add 8 and 1, you get 9, and you get 7 and you get 9. Into 3, you get, it's like 2, it's like 7, 3, 9, 2937. Alright, the last one is 4 into 11 into 78. You write 8 over here, you write 7 over here, 8 and 7, the addition gives you 15. Get 5 over here and you 1 over here, it gives you 8, 5, 8 into 4. Alright, so it gives us 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, 20, 23, 32 plus 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Alright. Alright, so this was a very quick session regarding calculation tricks, and like I said in a previous percentage and fractions session, that I will bring some more miscellaneous questions. So yes, the next sessions will be strictly on percentages and some more miscellaneous question. That will be part 4. So stick with this series of calculation tricks, and I'll bring more calculation trick sessions, and follow the percentage and fraction series also. By that way you can correlate, and it will help you in solving those questions, pretty faster. Okay, so that was it for this session. Stay happy and God bless you.